Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add friends on a Widgetable app. Now if you want to add friends on a Widgetable app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Widgetable app. So if you have not installed the Widgetable app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to tap on the Widgetable app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you don't know where to check that if you are logged in or not, click on the option of more at the very bottom right, and here you will see the option of your name or anything like that. So after that, to add your friends, you will see the option of friends at the very bottom taskbar. So click on it, and here you will see the option of add friends, and that is up maximum to 5. So you may simply enter your friends code, or you may simply copy this code and you may simply share it on TikTok, Insta or Snapchat from here. But if you want to share it with friends on Messenger or anything, you may simply open Messenger and you may simply paste the code of yours and it will say your link like this. So after that they will open up the link and they will install the link, and they may simply add you as a friend, and you may also add them back as a friend on the Widgetable app. So that's it. That's how you can add friends on Widgetable app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.